I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, I'm back with another Bugha Giersdore product review. He also has the LED gaming keyboard. So let's review his gaming keyboard. First of all, as you know, Bugha Giersdore, PC Player of the Year, Fortnite champion. This is compatible with PC. This is his 5 and below gaming LED gaming keyboard. Let's take a look and see what's on the back here. Oh yeah, here's the gaming keyboard right here. As you know, see it has RGB LED lights, laser cut keys, the WAS gaming keys. If you're a gamer, you'll know about the WASD, the anti-ghosting USB connector, functional hotkeys, organic design. It has a backlight. You can turn the backlight on and off. Number of keys, 104. USB power, and also it's 3.94 feet on the cord. It's compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, and 10. So Windows product, I don't see anything by Apple on there. Bugha and LED and the numpad. So as you guys know, if you're a gamer, you're looking for some entry-level setup, this is a good entry-level keyboard. And I'm going to show you guys after I open it up how it looks with it lit up. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Inside the box, every product by Bugha comes with a little card. You put all the cards together and it spells out his name, Bugha. So make sure you collect all his products. Of course, you got the instruction manual that we never read. And right here, we have the actual keyboard. So let's take this out. Here's the actual keyboard. Get the paper off of it. Here's the cord. Put this on the side. As you can see, here's the actual keyboard here. Nice. Look like it's hard plastic design here. Pretty solid. Basically look like all the normal keys up here. You got your escape, space bar, up and down right key, home, delete, print button, your numpad, 1 through 9, cap, lock, tab. Feels pretty good. Feels I can bend it a little bit. Feels plastic. So if you're looking for something entry level, this is definitely good. Looks like a USB plug right there. That's how it's charged up. Also on the back, you do have these 2 little pit legs here. You can stand up, put these up, and you get a little bit of an angle on it right there. Yeah, not too bad. Good entry level. So if you're a kid, you know, looking to be a gamer, and you're really working on a budget, this is a good budget keyboard for you to get into. Does have the RGB lights on it. So that's the next thing we're going to do. Let's plug this baby up and see how it looks. Alright, here is the setup, you guys. Let me turn off some lights. There you go. As you can see, here's the keyboard right here. I got that baby set up. It's all lit up like a Christmas tree. Yes, sir. You got your F1, you got your escape, you got your lock right there on the board. You can bring up your windows here. Also, you got num cap, scroll lock, page lock, cap lock working, scroll lock, everything is good to go. Here's your scroll lock, that's working. Page up, page down. Nice, feels good too. Let's type a couple of things in here. So let's go up here. Yeah, let's go. ESPN.com. Boom. Let's type it in, coming up nice. Scroll up and down the page using the buttons here. Nice. Pretty solid keyboard. There, I've got it with the stand out, pop the stand in. That's how I see it. So pretty solid keyboard for $10 though. So definitely take a look at it. It's at the 5 below. Alright, you guys, this particular product by Bugha Giersdore is the LED gaming speaker with subwoofer. Our Player of the Year, Fortnite champion. So this is his LED gaming speaker with subwoofer. This is how it looks. Compatible with PC, not Mac. Right here, volume controls, on, off, bass control, and color changing. Let's read the back of the box for the specs. On the specs, we have color changing LED speaker with subwoofer, 7x6x4 subwoofer, super size, speaker size 3 inches, output 6 watts, product size, speaker size, cable length is 47.24 on the speaker length. Contents in here should be a subwoofer, 2 speakers, and a manual. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. Open this baby up, yeah. Okay, we are opening the box up, and inside the box I can see already we have we have 1, 2 speakers there. There's your 2 speakers there. Oh, there's your 2 speakers. Look like it's made out of, you know, hard plastic there. Yep, you got the soft inner tube right there for hard plastic, 1 wire going in. So these 2 are connected together into 1 cable. So I assume they go into the subwoofer. So let's bring out the subwoofer. And here's the main body. Here's the subwoofer there. Same thing. Got your pretty much standard plastic. Got your rubber bumpers on the end. Plastic. Here's your bass control right here. And here's your volume. And let's take a look at the back. What's on the back of it? Okay, standard 5-volt. So yep, it hooks up. There's a USB, and there's your speaker. Okay, right there goes into your computer. So, and then the way it works is that these two speakers right here, where it says, as you can see, if you look at it, it says speaker output. So you will put these 2 speakers in there. You have your subwoofer on the floor somewhere. So actually, let's take this out so I can actually show you. Have your monitor. We take this off of here. And this is basically where you would set up. This is a good entry level setup. And say this particular wire here, the one with the USB and the speaker input, they would go to your speaker. So you would have the subwoofer set up 1 spot. So similar. So have 1 right here, maybe 1 right here, maybe your subwoofer on the floor, something to that effect, like that. You know, this will be on the floor, your monitor will be in the middle, speakers on the side, and then this will go to wherever you have your unit. Most people have the unit underneath, so you'll do it like that. What else is in the box? Of course, you got your card, your collectible card in here, 5 out of 7. Make sure you collect all those. And we got the instruction manual right here for everything. So let's hook this baby up and see how it looks and how it sounds. As you guys can see, I've got the speakers hooked up to my setup here. Let's turn these babies on. I put 1 speaker here, 1 speaker there. I got 2 monitors. So I've got the subwoofer here. And what I did notice that the cord wasn't too long, so you won't be able to get the subwoofer too far away from the speakers because the cord is not super long. So I know normally the subwoofer is supposed to go on the floor, but I put it right here. Let's test it out and see what we got. Here's the there's the bass and the treble right here. Here's the volume. Let's turn this baby on. So we got that on. See the lights, the RGB lights on the top change colors there. You got RGB lights right here on the front. Then you got these right here on the top there. It's red now. So let's play a little music and see how they sound. So there it is, you guys. These are pretty decent speakers. They'll get the job done. If you're just looking for a little desktop sound, you know, they're not going to rock the world, but definitely got a little bass in the subwoofer. You got your 2 speakers on each side of the monitor. So if you're looking for something that's going to jam right here at your little gaming setup, this is a good entry level setup. So hey, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. This is definitely another review. And make sure you guys watch when I bring up the next one. See you guys on the next one.